So why does the audio delay actually happen and how can we fix it? The number one reason why it happens is because the signal where you're connected to right now, it's basically a bad signal. Something in that signal is corrupted. And basically what we need to do to be able to fix it is to just simply unpair the device and repair it once again to where we were connected to it. So for example, if I go back to settings here, on my PC or laptop and click on Bluetooth and devices here, then what I'm going to do, I'm just gonna click on this power button right here to be able to turn on my Bluetooth speakers here. And now when they're turned on, I'm just gonna click on add device and then click on Bluetooth here, as you can see. And then I'm just gonna wait for it to show up in here. So here they are. So I'm just gonna connect to it. So quite often this will completely fix this issue for you, by the way. Sometimes what the reason might be as well is if your Bluetooth device has very little battery, then it might also give it like a bad audio delay. And to be able to fix that, you just simply have to charge it and then it should be fixed. So try this and hopefully now it's gonna work for you as well.